In this video, we are going to learn about how to generate the YouTube thumbnail with the help of AI. So, first of all, you have to come on the Google Chrome and search for VidIQ. VidIQ also supports the YouTube for the YouTube thumbnail. So let us click on this VidIQ. You have to log in your channel, or you need to log in. You login. So I have already logged in. Hope I am over here. So I am just using this link to generate the thumbnail. The link app.vidiq.com/thumbnail. So I am again. So if you are not logged in, then log in your email ID and generate the thumbnail. Okay. So whatever you will provide the title over here, describe your email ID or idea over here. It will create the thumbnails for you. Like I have created the earlier. So what I am going to create the thumbnail? I am going to create the thumbnail for this video that I am creating, or that you are seeing the video. So I am creating the thumbnail for this same video. So what is free AI tool to generate the YouTube thumbnail in second 2025 tutorial. Now click on create. So my limit has been exceeded, so that's why it allows the 3 videos. So I will change the email ID over here. Then change email ID. Now click on the logout. Login with Google. So I will use the different email ID over here because I have created the 3 thumbnails. So it provides only the 3 thumbnails support. Create the thumbnails free of cost. Okay. So connect your channel. So I am not connecting the channel over here. So I am just going to create and thumbnail. Okay. So no need to connect the channel. So now click on, now paste the context whatever we need and click on create. So it will create the thumbnail for the YouTube video. Whatever you provide the idea or whatever you provide the title, it will create the thumbnail for you free of cost. This is the limit of the creating the thumbnail free of cost is 3. So you can use a different skill for creating a thumbnail. So this is created the first thumbnail, AI thumbnail 2025, generate thumbnails cost, this one, and free AI tool. So whatever we will prepare, we can use the thumbnail or download the thumbnail. If we want to edit the thumbnail, whatever we want to edit the thumbnail, we can edit over here. So click on edit. If we do not want to edit the thumbnail, then simply we can download over here. So we can refine the thumbnail. Refine means we will provide the context, it will regenerate the thumbnail. Okay. Or we will put the text, over here to generate thumbnail fast. This is the text that is coming. So I will refine over here. Add YouTube logo at top left corner. Okay, so I want this thing. So make changes. I will click on make changes. It will change and add the YouTube logo at the left corner that I. So this is game now. So now my thumbnail is completed. So it is addressing what is YouTube generate thumbnail cost. Okay. Now click on the download. So whatever if you input the text over here like this, AI free thumbnail. Okay, so it will add this text wherever we need, because here it is not required. So that is why you can put over here, but I don't need this thing. I am assuming this thumbnail is now completed, so I will delete it. Okay. I will delete it. Okay, so it is deleted now. This is also deleted. So my thumbnail is now completed. If you want to modify the thumbnail, then you can do, and you can style the thumbnail as well over here. If you want sticker, then the stickers are here, like these stickers. If you want like these stickers, so many stickers are here. You can prefer any sticker. So let's suppose I am using sticker. Okay, so this is sticker you can use. So whatever you need, you can use over here. Thanks for your time. See you in the next. This is the thumbnail that we generated free of cost. Thank you.